Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Huawei Band 8 to a Samsung phone. First, ensure your Huawei Band 8 has at least 20% battery charge. Next, download the official Huawei Health application from the Google Play Store onto your Samsung device. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your Samsung phone by going into its settings menu. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth connection process. Now that your devices are ready, open the Huawei Health app on your Samsung phone. Navigate to the Devices tab, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Add Device and then select Smart Bands from the category list. Choose Huawei Band 8 from the options. A pairing request will appear on both your phone and the band. Confirm it on both to establish the connection. If you encounter any issues during the pairing process, don't worry. A common solution is to simply restart both your Huawei Band 8 and your Samsung phone. Another helpful tip is to clear the cache of the Huawei Health app through your phone's application settings. Also, make sure no other devices are currently connected to your Huawei Band 8 via Bluetooth, as this can interfere with the new connection. Congratulations, your Huawei Band 8 is now connected. You can personalize your experience by customizing watch faces and notification settings directly within the Huawei Health app. Start tracking your daily activity, sleep patterns, and heart rate data to gain insights into your health. Remember, the Huawei Band 8 boasts an impressive battery life of up to 14 days with typical usage, keeping you connected longer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.